Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you ICF internal web and plastic stud insert automatic feeding robot. A side shift mechanism is installed to automate the placement of plastic parts into the EPS mold before molding begins. Workers can prearrange the plastic parts outside the EPS shape molding machine in bulk, and the side shift mechanism will handle placement according to programmed settings. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.